Okay, lift at Zara, Croydon Centrale. That button is not lighting up, but here it comes. And open. Blimey.
Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors.
How many of these sodding buttons light up? Ground lifts.
Going up.
It's an in-ground hydraulic.
Floor 1. Doors opening. Going.
And here it is again. Come on, door.
Going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Do none of these frigging buttons light up?
Going down.
It's hydraulic. It's a heap of sodding junk is what it is.
Floor -1.
That indicator doesn't know what it's doing. Yeah, this lift is crap.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more, then you can visit my channel and see over 1,000 more videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. You can also follow me on Instagram, where you can see more exclusive, fresh and original content.